Hey everybody, I'm here to talk to you about the single simplest way to send cryptocurrency to a no-coiner. It is the greatest thing I have ever discovered. I've been involved in Bitcoin since 2013, trying to get baristas and waiters and fitness coaches to download wallets so I could tip them in cryptocurrency. And it was always difficult because people don't want to download an app when they're out doing their job. They've got other things to do. They've got other tables to deal with. They've got other clients to deal with. And the greatest thing has been created. This invention is called CoinText. You can find it at CoinText.io. CoinText does not use an app to download. It is the singular, simplest way to send cryptocurrency because it uses SMS. And here's what's great about SMS. There's a couple of limitations that we have when people don't have internet access. So if we're talking about people, let's say you're out in rural Thailand, you don't likely have internet to download an app. Most people, however, around the world, it doesn't even matter if it's the developing world, most people have access to SMS texting. And since they have that access to SMS texting, they have access to Bitcoin Cash via CoinText. Now, if you go to CoinText.io, all you got to do, it says click here for your regional number, and it will let you know what the numbers are. Now, there are more coming. They actually just announced that there will be more access numbers coming, but you can see we've got North America, Europe, Africa, and Australia covered now. However, if you have a texting plan that allows you to text internationally, this works just fine. I have sent money to the Philippines and Thailand and a couple other places using CoinText as well. My local access number is going to be the USA number because I am in the United States of America. And I'm going to show you just how simple it is to use. Check it out. All right. So here's my iPhone screen. I've used CoinText before, obviously, so there's some stuff in here, but this is very, very simple. If I want to, for the very first time, set up my wallet, I can type the word receive, send. It will, let's see, it should populate. There we go. It is giving me both the cash adder and the legacy address format, or it gives me the option for both. But if I want to send, let's say I've just finished eating my pancakes and I want to tip my waitress $5 worth of Bitcoin Cash. Well, all I have to do is ask her for her phone number so she can allow me to send her some Bitcoin Cash. When I receive that number, I can simply say, send $5 to her phone number. When I click send, it will send back a request, basically the 2FA from the system. There we go. It wants 936307. I click send. As soon as it comes back, I will know that my address has been, or my transaction has been populated. There we go. I just sent $5 to my lovely waitress for the pancakes that I just gorged on. And there it is. She didn't have to do anything. She had to do nothing but give me her phone number. Now, what CoinText did with that information, CoinText works like a kind of a dApp. It works through a server. It accesses the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. It uses her phone number to create a seed, to create a private key. Then that private key is connected to her phone forever. She receives that tip, and then if she wants to learn how to use the system herself, she can simply respond the words help on screen. And when she responds help, it will send back a list of some information here. Text start. There we go. Here's the commands. Balance, receive, send, and really that's all you need. So then if you want to see your balance, you can just type balance in. It will tell you how much Bitcoin Cash you have available. It'll give you USD and it'll give you Bitcoin Cash. There we go. So I got $9.43 left, or 0.01307,158 BCH. And it's that simple. She doesn't have to do anything. You can, of course, then explain to her how she can download a wallet or connect to a Coinbase account or Uphold or whatever if she wants to cash out to fiat. But this is a really great way to onboard people. And because it's just $5, people usually hang on to it as cryptocurrency. They think it's cool. They've heard about Bitcoin, or they've heard about, Litecoin, Ethereum, or whatever else in the past, but this gives them access. And remember, access is one of the major barriers to people jumping into the cryptocurrency revolution in the first place. It's difficult to get involved. You have to sign up with your bank account, do Coinbase, blah, 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 blah. With this is just as simple as handing an allowance to your kid. In fact, you can give your children allowance in Bitcoin Cash with CoinText, if they have a cell phone with SMS. But think about it. If you pass somebody $5, a $5 bill, you've done nothing but help the fiat economy. If you use CoinText and you give them $5 worth of Bitcoin Cash, you have onboarded another person into the cryptocurrency revolution. You can show them that it is indeed simple to transact in Bitcoin Cash. It will alleviate all of their fears, and then tell them, pay it forward. Next time you have to give a tip, do that tip in Bitcoin Cash. It becomes easier and easier, and if you show people how easy it is, it gains value, because the utility of using something as cash is something that will create more value. We know this. This is an economic principle that is very simple to pass along to people. So please do it. Next time you have the opportunity, use CoinText. You can find out more at CoinText.io, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We talk about all kinds of other awesome things. We do our very best to put out quality content, and we appreciate very much when you subscribe, like, comment, share. You can also check us out on Twitter, Medium, Instagram, and of course our Facebook account. And if you want to go to the main source of information, you can find us at CryptoTradersPro.com. Remember, tip everybody with cryptocurrency, everybody. That's what we're here for. That's a big part of the revolution. It's very, very simple, which makes it that much more powerful. Until next time, I'm Kurt Wilker Jr. saying bye-bye.